Hi friends, if you are experiencing hair loss, you might already know this. The major cause of progressive hair loss or baldness is a combination of DHT hormone and genetic factor in some people. DHT hormone is present in all men and is actually required for male-specific features. Women also have this hormone, but in very minor quantities. However, DHT hormone alone cannot cause hair loss. That is why if you take 10 people, only 3 of them would become bald. These people share a special gene or genetic factor which makes their hair follicles sensitive to the DHT. Normally, they inherit this gene from their father or maternal uncle, and these people lose their hair gradually, leading to baldness. From this equation, we cannot do anything to genetic factor. So the only option available currently is to reduce DHT effect on the hair follicles. In this video, we will look at a DHT blocking oil that blocks topical DHT, promotes new hair growth, increases hair thickness, reverses baldness, and activates hair follicles on the bald patches. This can be used by both men and women. For this, you need palmetto oil capsules. Palmetto is a wonderful natural herb that is very powerful to treat baldness and reverse pattern baldness or alopecia. It works by inhibiting 5-alpha reductase enzyme, which is responsible for producing DHT. We are using palmetto soft gels, which are easily soluble in oil. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil contains delta-7 sterol, a steroid that decreases follicle sensitivity to DHT and lowers DHT buildup on the scalp. Studies proved that pumpkin seed oil promoted new hair growth and helped in treatment of male pattern baldness. That is why pumpkin seed oil is important DHT blocker. Organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is one natural oil that is close to the scalp lipids profile. Due to its medium chain fatty acids, it is easily absorbed deep into the hair shaft. Thus, coconut oil acts as a carrier to supply goodness of palmetto to the hair roots. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil works like a topical minoxidil in improving blood circulation and contributes to hair growth. It can repair, stimulate, and regulate hair cells. Peppermint oil. According to a study, peppermint oil promoted hair growth more effectively than minoxidil. It promotes hair growth phase and generates new hair cells. Procedure. In a clean and dry steel or ceramic saucepan, take a half cup of coconut oil. The coconut oil may become solid based on weather conditions at your place. Just warm it up on the stove for 2 minutes. It should be slightly hot. Alternatively, you can use olive oil instead of coconut oil, as it is always liquid even in cold weather. To this, add a quarter cup of pumpkin seed oil. As I said, pumpkin seed oil is effective topical DHT blocker. Now let us add the main ingredient. If you look at the palmetto soft gels I have got, it has palmetto concentration of 160 milligrams per capsule. It also has got little zinc and pumpkin seed oil, that is added benefit. But we are mostly interested in palmetto dosage. We require a total of 2 grams of palmetto. That comes to around 13 capsules of 160 mg each. But let's take 14 capsules. I'll tell you the reason in some time. If you have a different concentration of palmetto capsules, the count may vary, but ensure that the total is around 2000 milligrams or 2 grams. I have taken a scissor to gently cut open the capsules. This is going to be a little tricky, so I advise you to try it out at the kitchen sink until you get a hang of it. So even if it spills out, you are fine. Carefully squeeze as much as you can into this oil. Similarly, cut open all the 14 capsules and squeeze them into the oil. If you notice, even after effective squeezing, some part of the oil may be left over in the capsule. To compensate for the loss, I have taken 14 capsules of 160 mg each. That way, we get close to our desired concentration of 2 grams of palmetto. Now with the help of a steel spoon, mix everything slowly. Because soft gel is oil based, it easily mixes up with our oil and provides DHT blocking benefits to our oil. The entire palmetto oil mixes up very well with pumpkin seed oil and coconut oil. If you are having a hard time mixing them due to cold weather, just warm up the oil a little bit. Look at this, all the ingredients are fully mixed up. To this, add 10 drops of rosemary oil. Now toss in 5 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is little strong, so 5 drops is enough. Now take a clean and dry glass bottle, something like this. Carefully pour all the oil into the glass bottle. That's all, we just made a superb DHT blocking oil. This is so easy to make and use. Slightly warm up this oil every time before using. Massage this oil onto the scalp and hair. Leave it on for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. Using this oil regularly on scalp promotes new hair growth, reduces hair miniaturization, and increases hair thickness and density. Note: this is not suitable for pregnant women and feeding mothers. Also, if you had a surgery recently, avoid this oil. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.